Alrighty. Lab 3. So I'll be using my fiance Irene. I chose Irene for this, being that I'm always with her. I know her face well, so when I'm working on a feature, I won't have to refer to a photo. I can just picture her in my mind. The only time I'd have to refer to a photo would be for any of the detail. So her natural facial markings, I'm gonna butcher these. The oblique the nasal sulcus, the philtrum, she has a slight dimple and a labiamental sulcus. Now her acquired facial markings, she doesn't really have much. She has the anterior palpebral sulcus, buccofacial sulcus, and the nasolabial sulcus. I think she has a diamond-shaped face because her cheekbones are the widest part of her face, and when you see from the cheekbone down, it narrows down, and the chin comes to a point. Same thing going up. Her profile is going to be a convex concave profile. Her forehead is receding backward away from the imaginary line, while her lips, chin are protruding past the imaginary line. Alrighty, that is it. Hopefully she won't kill me for using those photos.